Hey friends, you're watching Brainstorm Acres. We've been asked a bunch of times how much work actually goes into doing one of our projects. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. These are the old beds that we built using parts of garage doors on the north side of our house. This is our third year using these beds. We built them using the straw left over from a straw bale garden, and we packed them full and then we planted into them and just watered the way we usually would, and they've been awesome. Every year when it's time to use them again, we simply top them up with more spoiled straw, add compost on top, and then when we decide exactly where to plant, we'll actually add more like little pockets of potting soil. Just like as if the straw was a flower pot. Works perfectly.
And on top of that, we're busy creating more compost that we'll be able to use in the future.
Right. The bottoms of those beds are just solid compost basically from all the straw that's rotted down over the years.
Yeah, we don't want to have a lot of fresh straw or even partially decomposed straw on the bottom. It's a lot easier to deal with it when it's on top. That way we know what's going on and how much decomposition is going on.
Well, it also covers up any residue that's left over from the previous year's plantings. This will be our third year using these for plants that are in the squash family, and usually I rotate, but these beds work so well for these particular types of plants that I haven't had any urge to rotate yet.
And boy, it was some kind of windy.
Oh, it was miserable. I'm miserable. this is just part of the project. We'll be doing some other things next to these beds very soon.
Yeah, we're going to be redoing some of the irrigation going to these beds. We have to harden it against rats and other things because they're doing a number on our irrigation.